Noah, can you look at me and smile? No, I didn't say move. Go back over there, please. Go like you were. No, lay down. No, lay down like you're watching the train. Lay down like you were. Can you just turn and smile at me? You can watch the train. What? Watch the train. Bailey, what did you do? Keep that on there. Let's see what happens. That's funny. Where are you, Bailey? You guys are silly. Alright, but you might derail it soon. You can try 2 balls. Try 2 balls. Hold on. Okay, put it on the track right now and then it'll move. Just wait for it to come. Alright, that's enough. If it gets stuck, it will knock it off the track. Bailey, put some clothes on.